again and welcome back to another session of Commerce class with me, Suman Rathore. Students, we all know that employees are the most important, active and sensitive factor of production. As such, utmost care should be taken in their selection. And selection is an integral part of staffing which is concerned with picking up the most suitable and the most competent candidate for job in the organization. But it is often regarded as a negative process as it involves rejection of inexperienced and unsuitable candidates. पर देखा जाए तो इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट मेकिंग जजमेंट कि कौन एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, कौन क्वालिफाइड है और कौन क्वालिफाइड नहीं है, बट इट इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ फिटमेंट, यानी कि आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग, आपके जॉब के डिस्क्रिप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग कौन पर्सन ज़्यादा फिट बैठता है. And every industry, every organization, and even departments have their own selection criteria and processes. But a well-designed and a well-organized selection process involves a series of steps. Like first is preliminary screening. Now, an application form is designed to get a written record of candidates' qualifications, experience, and other details. It helps in securing the necessary information about the candidate's qualification, training, experience, etc. Now, this information is useful in determining the suitability of the candidate for the concerned job. और जब ये सारी एप्लीकेशंस रिसीव हो जाती हैं तो स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी उसको प्रॉपरली चेक करती है और अ लिस्ट ऑफ कैंडिडेट बनाती है जिनको कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट टेस्ट या सिलेक्शन टेस्ट के लिए कॉल किया जाना है. And all the unsuitable candidates are rejected at this stage. Then second is selection test. Now every individual is different from another with respect to his physical, mental, social qualities, likes and dislikes, etc. As such, hundreds of tests have been developed to measure various dimensions of behavior, like intelligence test, which helps in determining the level of intelligence or judgment and decision making. Then is aptitude test, which helps in measuring the candidate's present knowledge and his potential for future development. Then comes the personality test, which judges the candidate's spirit of mutual understanding, cooperation, coordination, emotions, reactions, etc. Then there is an interest test, which helps in knowing the pattern of interest or involvement of a person. Now ये सारे टेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स की क्वालिटीज़ एंड वीकनेसेस को बाहर लाने में मदद करते हैं जो कि किसी भी पर्सन के सिलेक्शन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Then third is interview. Now, although applications and employment tests provide a lot of valuable information about the candidate, but still they do not provide the complete set of information required of the applicant. As such, interviews are conducted to evaluate the overall personality and qualities of the candidate by direct face-to-face communication. It is also helpful in seeking more information about the candidate. और जो भी कैंडिडेट इस स्टेज तक पहुंच जाते हैं वो मानिए कि बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो कि ऑलमोस्ट सेलेक्ट हो चुके हैं. देन इज रेफरेंस और बैकग्राउंड चेक. नाउ रेफरेंस और बैकग्राउंड चेक इज अंडरटेकन टू सर्च इनटू द कैंडिडेट्स फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, पास्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिटेल्स, एजुकेशन, पर्सनल रेपुटेशन, पुलिस रिकॉर्ड एक्सेट्रा. और इसीलिए कैंडिडेट से एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में दो रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन्स के नाम मांगे जाते हैं एज रेफरेंसेस. And the intensity of background investigation depends on the level of responsibility inherent with the position offered. Then is selection decision. Now, a list of candidates who clear the employment test, interview, and reference check is prepared, and then the selected candidates are listed in order of their merit. And for preparing the final list for each department, the views of the concerned departmental heads are also considered. Then is medical examination. Now, the physical fitness of the prospective candidate is examined before his appointment. to determine whether he is physically fit for the job. This medical examination actually serves three objectives. First, it serves to ascertain the applicant's physical capabilities to meet the job requirements. Second, it serves to protect the organization against the unwarranted claims under worker compensation law or against lawsuits for damages, because an unhealthy person will prove to be a liability for the business concern. And third, it helps to prevent communicable diseases from entering the organization. और इस सब के लिए एक क्वालिफाइड मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट अपॉइंट किया जाता है जो कि लास्ट में फिजिकल फिटनेस का सर्टिफिकेट प्रोवाइड करता है. And last is job offer and contract of employment. Now, job offer is made to the selected candidate through an appointment letter containing the date of joining, contract of employment, conditions of employment, pays and allowances, etc. And any delay at this level of process may result in the firms losing the prime candidate, as he might also have other options too. So now we can say that selection itself is a vast process which is concerned with picking up the most suitable and the most qualified candidate for current and future positions in the organization, either from within the organization or from outside the organization. That's all for today. Thanks for staying in tune and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye for now.